Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua and their new building, which we will drive by on the drive, we have the 2025 Macan EV Turbo. I've driven the base, well, not the base, the Macan 4 EV. I wanted to try the Turbo because obviously it's going to be the more performance-focused one. Man, this thing is good. I love the Taycan. It is by far my favorite EV I've driven, and they just have that Porsche feel to them, even with being EV. This one's a very, very nice build. Black over Bordeaux red. Turbo badging. Come on. There we go. Charger, everything you need, tons of storage space. Should be, yep, your Bose amplifier down low. I want to say it's the neodyne badging, but black badging. Oh, looks so good. Black calipers is an option. Very, very classy build. Foot on brake, into drive, that's all you need to do. Reverse gives you all your around view monitors, everything you need. Let's take a look at the window sticker. This one also has rear axle steering, which completely changes things for the better. Passenger display, very, very nice sunroof. We'll open that up while we're doing that. Macan Sport wheels, I couldn't remember the exact name. Sport Chrono, only $980. That's worth it in my opinion. The black Porsche light strip, passenger display, sticker price $120,155. Let me see, do I have my, yes, the German leg extenders. Love these seats, they're so comfortable. Suede headliner, suede pillars. A couple different drive modes, Sport, Sport Plus. We'll try Sport Plus. 630 horsepower from this thing, which is, well, a lot. Stay offline, there we go. Obviously your power button is right here. What a cool car. My biggest thing with EVs has always been the brakes. I was able to autocross a, was it a 4S or a 4 EV Macan? And this thing is just so playful. It drives like a Porsche, and that's very tough to do, getting rid of the combustion engine. The rear axle steer in this makes it amazing to live with. The turning radius is unreal. Turning is phenomenal, but where this thing really shines is this. That is sensational. Steering feel is great. Brake feel, really good. And I should say this, it's very conventional. I think, I would assume you have one pedal driving at some point. Though I can't seem to find it, so it's fine. But if you don't have one pedal drive, I'm okay with that, because this brake pedal feels like a conventional car. You really can't tell when you're shifting from regen to disc brakes. If some of you don't know, with most EVs and hybrids, first portion of the pedal is regen, and then you shift over to regen plus the actual brake discs themselves. This one you can't tell. I've buried the pedal. You can't feel that changeover. Everything with Porsche, and the reason I own one, is because of how it feels to the driver. Every input you do is responded to the way you want it to be responded to. You know, you flick a car into the corner, it doesn't balk at you and say, no, I'm not turning in. Porsches will do it. You want to rotate the car under braking and under throttle, it will do it. This is their new building. Take a look at that. All new Gen 5 facility. Yes. And I'm amazed too. I'm gonna whisper or talk very, very quietly how well you can hear me. And it's not just because the GoPro's mounted to my face. It is sensationally quiet. It's really, 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 you know, yes, you'll look at this and say $120,000 is a lot of money. I'm not gonna deny that. But what I am going to say is it's worth the money. In terms of a performance EV, the only one I've driven better than this is Porsche's Taycan. Porsche has figured out EVs. They've figured out how to make these fun to drive still. Yes, you don't have the combustion engine and paddle shifters to play with and everything like that. To think about, this is Porsche's second EV that they've ever made, and it's this good. Especially, you know, the more they develop these cars and the more things they do to them and really start experimenting with, the better they're going to become. I'm really excited to try the new sports car EVs that they have in the works and really see how good those cars are. So you even have the creep forward. They've engineered this so well to perform like a combustion engine car, until you step on the gas and realize that no combustion engine in the world can do that instant torque like this does. Dude. This is a good car. It's a really good car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.